What's up, guys? Today in Power BI, we're going to be showing you guys how to connect to a SQL server. If you're ready to connect a lot of data, you're trying to connect to a SQL server, we're going to be doing just that. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, guys, so the first thing we want to do is we want to open up our Power BI, and it's going to be a blank canvas usually. Then we want to go to SQL Server. We're connecting up to the SQL Server. You have to make sure that before you connect to your database, you have Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and you also have the necessary credentials to connect. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys what you would need. You'll need this server name as well as authentication. So mine is my server name and my Windows authentication. So I'll just go ahead and connect, and the databases are as follows. So we'll be connecting this database in Power BI. So the first thing we need to do is get data. You can get data here, you can get data here, and you can get data here. So you can pick from any of these sources and it will connect you to go ahead and get data. So we'll go here to get data. We're going to do a SQL Server database. We're going to connect. The next thing we want to do is we want to use that SQL Server. Boom. So we're going to use that. And mine is a Windows authentication. Going to hit OK. And we are connecting to these here. So what we can do is we can come here and then just pick on the ones that we want to do. So let's just do employee, demographic, organization, product category, sub, and then let's connect to some fact tables. So let's just see if we can do some reseller sales, product inventory, so on and so forth. So we're going to connect these up. Next thing we want to do is we want to do transform data. So right here, this will confirm that we are connected up to our data source. So we can see that we've connected these queries here. You can just click through them to confirm everything. Make sure everything has the appropriate column headers. That's what I usually like to do. Then go through everything and go to close and apply. Once you do close and apply, it's going to let you know that there are some changes that are pending. Microsoft is looking a little crazy today. These will update, and then you will see your data pop up here. Then you can go here to your model view to see what it figured out to connect to. After that, I'll come here, and then I can just start plugging and playing and add my visualizations to my reports. So if I had employees, we got email addresses, we got employee keys, we got contact phone numbers, and then we have first names, last name, and now we have connected up to a SQL Server.